Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log in Twitter account. Keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Let's get started. Open your X app, then tap on Login, which is at the bottom of your screen. Then enter your phone, email address or username. Then tap on Next button. Type in your password. Then tap on Login button. And this is how you can log in Twitter account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notification whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.